Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another week of virtual instruction. This slideshow will outline what you need to do for the week of May 4th through May 9th. Your assignments for this week are as follows. You will need to complete your Reading Plus dashboard. So that would be 2 readings, 1 vocabulary lesson, and 1 visual skills lesson. Just a reminder that only greens and yellows will earn you credit for your dashboard. If you receive any reds, that doesn't count towards your dashboard grade. So a 70 or higher will help get you credit for your dashboard grade. That will be due on Saturday, May 9th. In addition to your dashboard, you're going to continue reading the Iliad. This week you'll have scenes 2 and 3 that you need to read. All right, and you can find that in Google Classroom. That's due on Monday, May 11th, along with the Iliad scenes 2 and 3 questions. So Reading Plus is due on Saturday, and then the Iliad questions will be due on Monday. Okay, once again, scenes 2 and 3 will need to be read, and then you will need to respond to the questions for scenes 2 and 3 of the Iliad. The materials that you have available to you in Google Classroom will be this video that you're watching right now, then the slideshow all on its own, so you can click through it at your leisure. You'll have the Iliad text that is completely annotated for you, just like last week. You'll also have an audio recording of scenes 2 and 3 if you're interested in listening to that as you read along. You will have the Iliad scenes 2 and 3 questions in Google Forms. Those are 2 separate Google Forms. So scene 2 is a Google form, and then scene 3 will be another Google form. Those are what you're being graded on. All right, so please make sure that you're using the annotated text to help you answer those questions. Also available to you in Google Classroom will be your vocabulary packet, because there are some questions pertaining to the vocabulary that is in the reading. So the only thing that you have to do with the vocabulary packet is use it to help you answer questions. You don't have to do any assignments in the vocabulary packet. It is just a resource for you so you can answer questions correctly. The suggested timeline that you follow for this week will be for Tuesday. You need to read the Iliad, scenes 2 and 3, and complete the questions for scenes 2 and 3, and then hop on to Reading Plus and complete a vocabulary lesson. And then on Thursday, Thursday, you'll have 2 readings and a visual skills lesson. Okay, so that is your recommended timeline for this week, but as usual, it is up to you how you complete those assignments. Just a reminder, your Iliad questions, so both questions for scene 2 and scene 3, will be due on Monday, May 11th. Reading Plus is due on Saturday, May 9th. If you need any help, if you just want to check in, you can contact me through Google Hangouts, you can send me an email, you can ask to set up a Google Meet, whatever works best for you. Okay, and just a few reminders. Last week's questions, depending on what day you're looking at this, if it's Monday, they're due today. So questions for scene 1 are due on Monday. Please get those turned in so that doesn't turn into a 0 for you. Also, please make sure you're checking your email regularly. Your email is where the invitation for a Google Hangout will go, okay? So if you want to attend the Google Hangout with the entire class, you need to make sure you check your email so you get that invitation. Also, please make sure you check Aspen regularly so you know how you're doing in the fourth marking period. If you are unable to access Aspen, go ahead and reach out to me in Google Hangout or through an email, and I'll be happy to share your grade with you, give you an update of assignments that you need to complete or anything that you need to redo. You just have to reach out and let me know that you're curious about it. Okay, so once again, if you have any questions, please reach out and let me know.